Yams' health and nutritional benefits. A sort of tuber vegetable with its origins in Asia, Africa, and the Caribbean is the yam, Dioscorea. They are frequently confused for sweet potatoes. Yams, on the other hand, are more starchy and less sweet. Their exterior has a distinctive brown bark-like color. Depending on the yam's maturity, the interior can be white, yellow, purple, or pink in color. These flexible, very nutritive tubers can have a variety of positive effects on your health. 1. Rich in nutrients. Yams are a good source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. In addition to being a great source of fiber, yams are also a good source of potassium and manganese, all of which are vital for supporting heart health, metabolism, and bone health. Additionally, these tubers offer respectable levels of other minerals including copper and vitamin C. Iron absorption and the creation of red blood cells depend on copper, while vitamin C is a potent antioxidant that can strengthen your immune system. 2. Might improve mental performance. Consuming yams might benefit your brain. Individuals who had a yam extract supplement throughout the course of a 12-week research performed better on a test of brain function than those in the placebo group. Diasgenin, a special substance found in yams, has been shown to encourage neuron development and improve brain function. Diasgenin has also been shown to enhance memory and learning in mice in a variety of maze tests. To completely grasp how yams could improve brain health, additional investigation is necessary in this area. 3. Can lessen menopausal symptoms. Yams may assist with certain menopausal symptoms. 24 postmenopausal women participated in a 30-day trial where they went from eating rice as their main food to consuming yams in 2 out of 3 meals, 390 grams total per day. Estrone and estradiol levels in their blood rose by 26% and 27%, respectively. During menopause, blood levels of the estrogen hormones estrone and estradiol normally drop. Enhancing estrogen production could lessen menopausal symptoms. Another 6-month trial, however, discovered that compared to a placebo, a topical application of natural yam cream had a minimal impact on menopausal symptoms including flushing and night sweats. It is necessary to conduct more study to determine whether yams can help with menopausal symptoms. 4. Might possess cancer-fighting qualities. Several antioxidants found in yams may have anti-cancer effects. A diet high in yams dramatically slowed the growth of colon tumors in an animal research. Yams' antioxidant content was shown to be responsible for these benefits, which raises the possibility that these tubers may fight cancer. Additionally, a test tube study discovered that Chinese yam extracts, especially the peel, slowed the growth of liver tumors and had antioxidant qualities. However, there hasn't been enough study done to assess these impacts on humans. 5. Could lessen inflammation. Yams include antioxidants that may help lessen inflammation. Obesity, diabetes, and heart disease are just a few of the illnesses that have been associated to an elevated risk of chronic inflammation. Consuming foods that are anti-inflammatory, like yams, can help control chronic inflammation. Yam powder has been found to lower inflammation linked to a number of diseases, including colon cancer, irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and stomach ulcers, according to various animal studies. To know if consuming yams has the same anti-inflammatory benefits in people, additional research is still required. 6. Might help with blood sugar regulation. Yams might help you manage your blood sugar. In one study, rats fed yam powder or yam water extract had lower levels of hemoglobin A1c, HbA1c, and fasting blood sugar compared to the control groups. A measurement of long-term blood sugar management is HbA1c. According to a different research, rats given higher doses of purple yam extract had lessened appetites, lost more weight, and had better blood sugar management than the animals in the control group. Further research in rats revealed that yam flour supplementation decreased the rate of blood sugar absorption, which enhanced blood sugar management. Yam's resistant starch and fiber are thought to be responsible for these effects. 7. Weight loss. Yam extract was found to decrease food intake in an animal research, indicating that these tubers may aid in weight loss. Help accelerate weight reduction. Yam fiber may also help people lose weight. 8. Impacts on microbes. The precise process is unknown, however there are various. According to research, yam extract may be protective against certain germs that defy medication. Greater reduction in cholesterol. In one research, women who had 18 ounces, 390 grams, of yams every day for 30 days saw their blood cholesterol levels drop by 6%. 9. Simple to include in your diet. It's simple to incorporate yams into your diet due to their adaptability. They can be purchased whole, in powder or flour form, or even as a supplement. You may bake, boil, steam, roast, fry, or pan-cook these delectable tubers. Yams may be used in both sweet and savory recipes and can be eaten with or without the peel.